Okay, what's up, YouTube? It's Pacey AI coming at you again one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. Also, turn on notifications. Check out my other videos and check out the links in the description to my social media. You know what it is, so let's get it. So, just want to give you guys some information on the memory system in ChatGPT. Now, this is a recent feature that was released in ChatGPT. I'm not sure if everybody has it, but you have to be on the paid subscription or the plus membership to be able to have access to this feature. And you'll notice this feature when you go to settings. So you just go to settings here, and then if you go to personalization, you'll actually see an option called memory. You can go ahead manage your memory, right? And you could basically see all the different things that ChatGPT remembers about you. So it's a way to kind of personalize your experience with ChatGPT so that it kind of knows your likes, dislikes, things that you generally are looking for, things that you generally want, right? So essentially, ChatGPT will then just be able to remember that and give you responses or outputs that is in conjunction with those memories, right? So obviously, and the way the memories works, it works across all your different chats. So no matter how many different chats you open up, those memories will remain, and ChatGPT will always be able to pull on those memories whenever you make requests and stuff like that. It just makes your interaction easier with ChatGPT. So it just makes it more personal and uh more tailored to you, right? Essentially. So essentially, let me just show you how this works. So all you need to do is say hi chat GPT, keep in mind my name is Stacy. Okay, so see there it says memory updated, right? So essentially now it will always remember that my name is Pacey, right? Um uh I could also add some other things. I am a YouTuber that runs the YouTube channel ACAI. And then it's gonna ask me what kind of content do you create on your channel. So I can say I create content related to AI news. Memory updated sounds fascinating. If you need help with ideas, research, or anything else in AI news content, feel free to ask. So obviously, I'm able to update that, and essentially, it will remember that I'm a YouTuber. I'm an AI news YouTuber. Um, you know, and I could also, there's other things I could do to essentially allow it to be personalized to me. I don't know. I could say I am also a fan of RPGs. Example or examples include Skyrim and Breath of the Wild. Remember, yeah, the RPGs are fantastic. Skyrim, Breath of the Wild are both classics. Do you incorporate any gaming content in your AI? It is purely focused on AI. So again, so all this is updating my memory, so that it knows. It was asking me if I incorporate gaming. So if I incorporate gaming, then it would also update that as memory as well. Um, pretty much anything, you want it to be able to remember about you. You can think of different things, um, and just really have it customized to you. So whenever you ask questions, it knows exactly what you're looking for, right? So, you know, if you know, I could say I live in the United States. Should update the memory there. So now it knows I live in the United States. So no, so thanks for sharing. If you need local news or information related to AI in the U.S., feel free to ask. How may I help you today? So stuff like that. You can tell it different things. Obviously, these things do raise concerns about privacy. Obviously, you have to be careful what you tell it. You have to be very aware of what kind of information you're giving the AI. Obviously, the more information you give the AI, the more convenient it is to use it. However, you're also risking your privacy going out to these big tech companies, which, it's up to you if you want to do that. These things are created in a lot of ways too to kind of take your information, take your privacy, because people want convenience, and people a lot of times we've seen over the years that people are willing to give up convenience for privacy. It's happened. It's been happening for a long time, and this is another way I think that they could do that to kind of take your privacy away. I mean, like literally, you put these things on their server, they have this information. So, but it definitely does help. So it just depends on what you want to what information you want to provide, so that the one thing you can do though, you can always delete the memories. So I think once you delete it, it will be erased from their servers, hopefully, so that you don't have your privacy is not given away. But you know having a feature like this, I think, is a great feature because it just customizes the experience. There's so many ways you can use this. um like if you can let the AI know, like, let's say you want to, for example, you want to write a essay, right? You can kind of, you know, write something and just tell the AI to remember that, right? And then it can write your essays based on that writing style, stuff like that. You can tell it different things about you. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. So an additional thing that I wanted to say, didn't say it, but I just wanted to add this. So essentially, in order to check the memory, you can go to personalization, then you go to manage, and then it will show you all the different things that ChatGPT remembers about you. So it'll say Pacey lives in the United States. Pacey's a fan of RPGs, specifically mentioning Skyrim and Breath of the Wild. Um, Pacey runs a YouTube channel called Pacey AI and creates content related to AI news. So this is it, right? And you can always clear this if you want, or you can just add more. You can delete whatever you want right here. So it's just pretty cool. But I just never actually said that, so I want to make that clear that there's a way to control this. Even though the memories get updated, you can always control it what you want it to remember. So just keep that in mind. All right, peace. Let me know what you guys think and have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos like this, more content like this. I also have some content to share on Leonardo AI, consistent characters. I got some videos to do about that to really just give you an insight on how these things work. But have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.